Tired of fumbling with your wallet at the checkout line? Want to manage your finances on the go without ever stepping into a bank? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you just how easy it is to set up Apple Pay and mobile banking with Patriot Bank. It's all about bringing convenience and security right to your fingertips. First up, Apple Pay. It's the digital wallet that allows you to make secure, contactless payments with your iPhone or Apple Watch. To get started, you'll need a Patriot Bank debit or credit card and a compatible Apple device. The process is simple. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus sign in the top corner. Then, choose Debit or Credit Card. You can either use your phone's camera to scan your card's information or enter it manually. Follow the on-screen prompts, and in some cases, the bank may require you to verify your identity. Once your card is approved, it's instantly ready for use. You'll know it's set up when you see the Patriot Bank card appear in your wallet. From there, just double-click the side button on your iPhone and hold it near a contactless reader to pay. It's that quick and easy. Now, let's talk about mobile banking. Patriot Bank's mobile app is a powerhouse for managing your money from anywhere. The first step is to download the Patriot Bank app from the Apple App Store. Once it's downloaded, you'll need to enroll if you haven't already. To enroll, you'll need your Social Security number, your account number, and your date of birth. You'll be asked to create a username and a strong password. Once you're in, you'll have 24/7 access to your accounts. You can check your balances, view transaction history, and even deposit checks just by snapping a photo. You can also transfer money between your Patriot Bank accounts, pay bills, and set up alerts to keep track of your spending and account activity. It's like having a Patriot Bank branch in your pocket. With Apple Pay and the Patriot Bank mobile app, you have the freedom to manage your money safely and efficiently, whether you're at home or on the go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.